Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to increase your Reddit karma. The process is actually quite straightforward. To start, you should create a new post. It is important to understand that Reddit features two distinct types of karma: post karma and comment karma. When you are making a post, be sure to include a compelling title and a high-quality body. By providing real value to the community, you will naturally receive more upvotes, and the more upvotes you collect, the higher your post karma will climb. Always focus on sharing interesting or helpful information that the community will appreciate. Next, let's look at the second type, which is comment karma. To build this, navigate through Reddit to find a post created by another user where you can contribute. Click the comment button and provide a thoughtful or useful response. When your comments are genuinely helpful to others, they will likely give you an upvote. As you accumulate these upvotes on your replies, your total comment karma will increase. Simply focus on leaving high-quality comments. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.